guys, Nicole Sauce here, and I've had a lot of people ask me who are growing food for the first time this year how to get their ground ready. Some of them have tilled, some of them haven't, but it's pretty much the same process. What you want to do is get the weeds out, and some of them I've turned into mulch into the ground, and then get it to about this consistency. What I'm doing here is my neighbor has rabbits, and he brought down some rabbit poop. You can see some pellets right there, and I'm getting those nice and dug into the dirt. The cool thing about rabbit dung is that you can put it straight in the ground and it makes it fertile. Now, if it's your first year with a garden and you don't have access to animal dung or other ways of doing an organic method of making it fertile, and you're worried because there's a pandemic and you want to grow food, this is not the year to be like super organic. This is the year you use Miracle-Gro. It's not awesome as a choice, but it's not going to ruin your ground for the rest of your life like some people say. So to get ready to plant, you want the dirt about like this. You want the clods all broken up. Today's perfect because it's sunny. And then I'm doing a couple rows of beets here. So then I just use my hoe or my hand to make a little trench. Take my seeds. These seeds are 2 or 3 years old. So I'm planting them very densely in here. And then you just cover it with the soil. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this part open, right? Dirt open to the air. I'm going to put straw in between there to mulch it to keep the moisture into the dirt. And if you don't have straw, don't use hay because you'll end up with grass. You can use burlap bags or cardboards, but poke holes in it. If you're ordering in a bunch of stuff from Amazon right now, you have cardboard, newspaper. You can use grass clippings, all sorts of things, but what you want to do is cover the soil where the seeds aren't to keep the weeds from coming up, and you want to get these rooty things out of there, and then leave it open. When the plants come up, then I'll mulch it and I'll slowly fill in around them, and that really helps keep fertility in, keep the moisture in. You don't have to use as much water, and you don't get as many weeds. So I hope this helps you get ready to start with a garden. Of course, if you're getting your beet seeds fresh this year, you don't need to plant them that densely. Unfortunately, the ones I have are a couple years old, so we don't know how they'll germinate. But this is going to be my beet patch. Make it a great week.